To the Indiana State House now, where Indiana's new homelessness law is set to take effect later this summer. The governor held a ceremonial signing of that measure this morning.
So this changes how police respond to people living in public spaces. Our State House reporter Emily Longnecker tonight has that part of the story.
Well, the law takes effect July 1st, and a spokesperson for IMPD says they're going through the law right now so they know how to implement it. Before the new law passed, police typically handled situations using existing local ordinances and general state laws, but didn't have a single statewide policy to follow. This new law gives them one. Camping on public property is now illegal statewide. Some departments like IMPD have officers assigned to units that deal specifically with calls involving the unhoused. There are 4 officers on IMPD's homeless outreach unit. Before the new law passed, officers could call for mental health help for an unhoused person, but were not required to. Now, under the new law, police must assess a person's mental health and get them connected with services before deciding whether to make an arrest. IMPD issued a statement on the new law which said in part, quote, "Our homeless outreach unit, alongside our community partners, will continue its long-standing work, providing services and support to individuals experiencing homelessness. We understand that an arrest is not always the appropriate response to the complex issues surrounding homelessness, but IMPD will take law enforcement action when crimes are committed." At today's ceremonial signing of the law, Governor Braun said a new approach to the issue of homelessness was needed.
The purpose of the bill is not criminal action, but moving homeless Hoosiers toward social service networks to help them get needed services and stay safe.
Critics of the bill say there aren't enough beds and services to deal with the unhoused population, and more resources should be put towards that. The bill's author says that's something to look at next session when lawmakers decide a new budget. At the Indiana State House, Emily Longnecker, 13 News.
We've got you covered when it comes to all the political headlines making news across our state. Be sure to watch Crossroads Politics. That's on our free streaming app, WTHR Plus.